Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save your parking location using Google Maps. So after you open the app Google Maps, you go to the top left corner and then you go to settings and then you scroll down and then you go to navigation and then you scroll down to save parking location. So you turn it on and then you have to always allow location access, so you have to go to settings and then you have to change to always allow location access and then go back to Google Maps, and then now you will get safe parking if your car is connected to Bluetooth. But if you don't use Bluetooth, you can let Maps use your motion to save your parking and just press on it, and then you have to allow access to motion at fitness activity. And then now it's ready to use. So I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.